Hello everyone. Our next topic is frequency distribution. It is the organization of raw data in tabular form with classes and frequency. We arranged it in the two types, grouped form and discrete form. The meaning of word discrete is discontinuous. It means here we take separate classes for each distinct value. Remember our examples taken in a last video. We are making this table in the last example. It is the frequency distribution table. In it, this table represents the fruits liked by a student of class 8. Here I write some fruits names: apple, cherry, mango, orange. Each separate fruits have separate frequency. So here we arrange data in a separate classes. So this is the example of discrete form, discrete frequency distribution. We take other example. Suppose we make a table for a number of cars in a family with respect of families. Suppose families whose have 0 car and its frequency is 5. If the number of cars in a family is 1 and its frequency is 7 and the number of cars in a family is 2 and for that frequency is 3, then this is the kind of discrete form. Here each frequency is considered in distinct class. Now we learn how we represent these type of table graphically. First thing you have to do, take a graph paper to draw graphs. We can represent it either in the form of pictograph or in the form of bar graph. We are learning here how we represent them in a form of bar graph. For making bar graph, first we have to choose two lines. One line is said to be horizontal line and one line is vertical line. Basically, for horizontal line we consider x-axis and for the vertical line we consider y-axis. In any of the line we can represent any one of fruit or frequency. It is depends upon us. So now I represent this horizontal line with fruits name, with consider fruits, and this vertical line represent frequency, and axis name is compulsory to write. The point at which both the lines meet is considered as O. Now we can see our frequency varies from 5 to 7 range. So we have to choose scale. So I consider scale 1 unit is equal to 2. So I divide all the vertical line in a gap of 2. So our first is 2, second is 4, next is 6, next 8, next is 10. We have to take all the gaps in an equal width. So for this you use graph paper. Same as we have to divide this horizontal line in 4 equal parts for the fruit. Suppose I will consider here apple, next is here cherry, next is mango, and this is for orange. Now for apple frequency is 6. Then we have to make a bar of a height 6. So here is the 6, so we make a bar from here like that. For cherry height is 7. So it is between 6 and 7. It is like that somewhere right here. Like that. Same as for mango, frequency is 6. So height of bar is here. And for the orange, our height frequency is 5. So height goes from here somewhere. One more thing. You have to make all the bars of the equal width and equal gaps between them. Okay,